Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best inexpensive sewing machines you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many inexpensive sewing machines and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each inexpensive sewing machines so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying an inexpensive sewing machine. First, think about your sewing needs, whether you plan to make basic repairs, craft projects, or small garments. Choose a machine that offers enough stitches and features for your goals. Next, check the build quality and durability. A sturdy frame can make a big difference in long-term performance. Also, consider ease of use, such as simple controls, clear threading guides, and a lightweight design. Look for machines with adjustable speed and tension for better control. Don't forget to read user reviews to understand reliability and after-sales support. Finally, compare warranties and customer service options before buying. These factors help you find great value without overspending. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.